so we're using our multi-surface paints. I've put out some thicket and citrus, some worker white, daffodil yellow, yellow ochre. So we have Juneberry, purple, and pink. So they are really nice together. And then the floating medium. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to use, let's get an angle brush, all right? This is a 5/8 angle brush, the middle size and a three-piece set, all right? So what I'm going to do on this black art paper, which is like it's multimedia, it's about 164 pound. So then the great thing about that is it doesn't wrinkle up when you're painting on it. All right. So what I like to do is I like to dampen my angle brush. We're working with the toe and the heel. Okay. We're going to come right in here and we're going to pick up the green and the dark and light green. And I want the toe to be the light green. Okay. I'm going to dip some floating medium. Yeah, that's what we use instead of water. And I want you to see that I am doing with a dark background makes this paint really look great. And what this is it's going to be a forest of flowers on the ground, okay? So I'm going to come in here, across here. And I want you to practice some of these strokes, okay? So floating medium and citrus. All right, so I'm going to come way over here and I'm going to put some flowers in here. Right here, I'm going to do a really big tall stalk there and even taller over here. Okay, so medium. Okay, so that's the tall ones over here. And if you want to know exactly, I'm going to put one right here. You can add these under the flowers as soon as you paint the flowers. You don't have to do all this right now. Okay. You can just grab the flower underneath and pull it in here. All right. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to come over here and we're going to go way up here. And then we're going to have a cluster of these purple ones right here. All right. So you see that this is some darker green underneath. And then we can come right in here. Slip, slap, slip, slap, slip, slap. There we go. All right. So that's what we can look into the darkness, which will be the black paper, with art paper. All right. So now I'm going to come in here and we have different size brushes here. So one thing you can do is we can do some with a dry 1/4 inch scruffy, and we're using magenta and white. We can come right along in here. That's going to be yellow, so let's do a pink one in here. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it flat. Okay, this is relax and paint, because what I want you to see is it's very relaxing to create, and especially if you have the tools. So this is one set of brushes, gives you all of the tools you need. It's called a value pack. And it's 10 one-stroke brushes, my best-selling set. And it gives you the tools that make one-stroke painting really easy. All right, this is how it comes, just to let you know. These are the 10 sets, 10 set of brushes, my most used brushes, and dark green handle, that's what you're looking for. And so if you are a member of my One Stroke Advantage right here on YouTube, you get 20% off coupons every month, all right? And this is the signature set. So these are more expensive, almost double the price of these, but they have the nicer handles, nicer ferrules, nicer bristles. But right now, you'll see me using this green set all the time. All right, so um, that's just like a gift if you feel like you reward yourself as you're getting better. Okay, so this is bouncing straight up and down. This one I did on the edge. This is straight up and down, so it's fluffy. Can you see that? All right, and I can even put a flower here that looks just like this. Okay, and so we can come around on this. All right, and I'll show you how we can make that a pretty little flower. All right, and down here again. Okay, so now we're going to use smaller brushes. This is an 8, and I'm going to pull in some yellow ochre with daffodil yellow. Now this brush is wet, laid on the paper towel, then we go load it, okay? So this one, we're gonna tap. See, I'm just dabbing the chisel. This is the chisel of the brush. Okay. And then we're gonna come in here and do some more. I'm rocking it from left to right and tapping. Now I'm gonna come over here and make, all right, we got yellow ochre and yellow. Now look what happens here. I'm going to touch a little bit here, space with white. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit bigger, a little bit more white. Right, you're getting all the yellow and white. There you go. Look how that pops on that black. Okay, so I'm going to put some white. Okay. Now see how I'm going to fill it up in here. Okay, so then I can take the daffodil. All right. All right. There we go. All right. So what's going to happen here is I want to make the center yellow. So I'm going to come right in here. And pull in a little bit of white. Okay, so now we have some purple. So white and purple. Dab, 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 dab. Violet pansy is what color it is. And if you get the AZ kit, A to Z kit, right under the search bar, that gives you 50 different flowers. By the time you get done with those 50 flowers, you were able to paint so well, to do landscapes and animals and all kinds of more. Okay. All right. So we got some purple there. And I'm going to put some blue. Put some blue in here. A little bit of blue in there. Okay. So I'm going to use my 16 now, and I'm going to do these larger flowers. And these are just larger petals with a 16 flat. Grab some white because yellow's transparent. The white will make it a little bit opaque. And I'm going to take and stroke. Let's get some more white. Okay. Okay. Do a bigger flower. Okay. All right, so I'm going to even make it more one with more white. Okay, so I'm going to get some pink, white. Okay, let's use some Juneberry. I'm going to go right over some of those flower stems, which is fine. I do have that flower back there. So I've got yellow, Juneberry. There we go. All right, there we go. So I just think you will have fun with these pretty flowers. I'm going to come in here and put a little leaf. There we go. I'm going to use a 12, and I'm going to come right in here, and I can have that citrus. I put some white. I can have that citrus on the outside. Okay, so look what happens. Then I have, let's get some white. Okay, so look, this is the stem. See how pretty the leaf is? Okay, we can come up here. Okay, all right. All right, just come right in here. There we go. So now we need to put a little bit of center. Okay, so we put a little bit of the darker yellow right there. Yellow ochre. A little bit of white. Okay. Oh, so look how fast that was. So it's just on a dark piece of paper, art paper, and there's pads of art paper. We sell black and a gray tone. Um, and what happens is that you just put multi-flowers in there. Look at the centers. You can take and highlight a little bit, like you can go under here and make it stand out a little bit more, or you don't have to. Look at them. They look pretty without. Okay, so you can use your little wipe away tool. We call it a kiss tool, but it's wipe away tool on my website. And that makes lots of little dots and all too. All right, so I'm going to use some white and citrus, and I'm going to sign it. Yeah, I hope this inspires you. There we go. Thank you. I'll see you next time.